What are you doing, mister? Huh? You playing around? What? E? What? Hi. What? You little cutie. Your hair's all messed up. Why do you gotta quit pulling your hair out? Buddy. Hey, buddy. What's going on? Hi. What you doing? Can you stand up? Stand up, buddy. You can do it. What you looking at? Looking at the TV? You want some boob? Is that a yes? You want some boob? Yeah, okay.